Hey there, I'm Casey and this is Jenny and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Head Over Meals video series where we're sharing weekly challenges to help you eat well in the new year.
And this week's challenge is all about eating or drinking tea.
Yes, tea is one of my favorite drinks. It's a really great way to increase your water intake, but make it a little bit more exciting than water with the different flavors available. And it's actually the second most widely consumed drink in the world behind water.
Fun fact. Yeah. And there's so many different varieties of tea out there, so I'm sure everyone can kind of find something that they enjoy. There are caffeinated teas, so like your black teas and green teas do have some caffeine in it, but less than coffee. And then there are herbal teas which don't have any caffeine, so teas like peppermint and chamomile don't have tea because they're made from a different type of plant.
Yes, so teas can actually, like we said, be enjoyed in lots of different ways. You can have it hot or cold. Some people will add things like milk. Tea also has a little bit of a bitter taste, and that's because of the polyphenols that are in it. Polyphenols are actually a type of antioxidant that can help protect against disease too. So some people will add some kind of sweetener like honey or sugar to help kind of cut that bitterness a little bit.
Yeah, and if you're looking for new ways to enjoy tea, we have lots of recipes to eat and drink tea on our website, so definitely check out our meals site. And if you're looking for something really quick and easy, bottled tea is the way to go. Lots of different options out there, but we just suggest looking for something that has less sugar because some types do have some added sweetener to it.
Yes, so today we're going to be trying some of these bottled teas. I'm going to be trying just a regular unsweetened straight up tea.
And I have a flavored tea. It has a little bit of sugar in it, but it is a passion fruit and pineapple flavor, which sounds really good.
Very delicious.
Ooh, super good.
I love tea. I love it with just like a little splash of lemon, but like we said, there's lots of really great recipes too to incorporate it in different other things.
Definitely. So get out there, try a tea. We can't wait to see what you come up with.